Hey Libra, thank you for joining me in the extended. So far, we have you're coming more into yourself here, Libra, and there's a situation that has been on your mind. I want to just clarify some things about the situation so we could get more details, because this is not the clearest thing. It's not the clearest thing. Okay, so I'm seeing here that this situation, you were very cautious about it. You had your guard up about this situation from day one, okay? Because you felt like there's something else here. There's like this person is deceptive and there's some secrets going on here that I don't know about. But as I was saying, I felt like you still followed your emotions in this situation. Clarify the Seven of Swords, or just some more clarity on this situation. Yeah, so we see that you were heartbroken and you chose to move past the situation with the Chariot here. But then you have Death. Okay, so what happens after you choose to move on from the situation? You choose to move on from the situation, and then Queen of Swords. So this is you. So it's like after you said, okay, I'm choosing to move on from the situation, then that just changes, and you start to analyze the situation as you normally do as the Queen of Swords. You start to analyze the situation some more, and you're still seeking clarity from the situation. You're still like wanting to know, what was this all for? What was the point of this? And you're assessing yourself. I see like what good can come from the situation is what you've been thinking. Like, okay, all of this happened. I don't know why. I'm not getting clarity, but you've been trying to look at it in a different way and see, you know, what is this actually about? And whoever this person is, they might have been very silent here and focused on, if this is a third party situation, this other person might have been very silent in regards to you and focused on whatever committed situation they have going on that they have been giving all of their energy to. Okay? Okay, let's see how you're feeling right now, Libra. Clarify the moon. Clarify the moon for Libra. Yeah, so I feel like you're just in that place. You're wanting balance back in your life because this hasn't been making sense. The situation hasn't been making sense, and you're seeking balance when it comes to this. Yeah, this is all like, so when it comes to what I'm seeing for the future here, it's like mentally, Libra, it's like you're feeling like this situation is, you're not seeing a way out. It's like it keeps coming back up. It keeps coming back up in your mind. You feel like it's going to be stuck in your head. And I feel like you're trying to move forward, but it keeps coming up. Because I feel like you're feeling like this situation came to you with a lesson. But you're feeling like instead of learning the lesson that I should have learned, I went ahead and seeked and thought that I could get some type of fulfillment from this third party situation. But I'm seeing here that you're gonna have to let go of those emotions. I'm seeing that you might just have to sacrifice how you're feeling, and what that means is, even though you've been feeling this way, you have to look at your life and say, okay, I can't let my emotions control my actions, essentially. So I feel like you have to walk away from that, which is not the easiest thing, but I feel like you have to walk away from how you're feeling about the situation. Yeah, be strong with the strength card here. And there's going to be a major change after that because you would have manifested that. So it's like once you sacrifice, let go of the emotion, walk away from the Queen of Cups here, because how you've been feeling is very emotional towards the situation. And I feel like you're realizing that you kind of have to detach that emotion because it's taking over. And once you are strong enough with the strength card to do that, then you will create the change that you want. Whatever you want in this situation, you will create that change. Just kind of like let it go and don't worry about it because you're on the right path. We have emerging. So you're on the right path. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing and learn about yourself because you're on the right path. And even though you can't find the answers that you're looking for right now, I feel like you have to just let go of that emotion right now because it's not helping you. I think you're just like repeating the same thing in your head over and over, and it's not helping you at all. So let's get some advice for Libra for this week. Advice for Libra for this week. Advice for Libra. What advice for Libra for this week? What advice for Libra for this week? The Five of Cups. With the Five of Pentacles. I said Five of Cups. Five of Pentacles with the Five of Cups. Justice. And the Moon. Okay, so whatever situation that has you feeling like just left out in the cold, so you're not understanding a lot of things, whether or not this person has gone silent on you, whatever the situation is, just you're not having that clarity that you need right now. But what you have to do is bring balance back into your life and step back into you. Stay true to what you're doing because things aren't as clear as you might think, you know, and you might be thinking a lot, but you don't know for sure. So it's like this, it's one of those situations where you don't know. You just don't know because things haven't been clear and you've been stressing about it, but you can manifest the situation. So it's like, what do you want? The advice is to manifest what you want out of the situation. Let's see what was at the bottom of the deck. The Six of Wands. So once you decide, okay, I'm not going to let my emotions control me and this is what I want, and you manifest that, you will have victory here. You will have Ace of Pentacles and you will have your balance. You will have your balance. And I'm even seeing clarity. So when it comes to this situation, I feel like you just have to let go and let God. Thank you so much, Libra. Have a good one.